So in this video, you'll learn how to mute or how to unmute your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So if you want to put your tablet in mute or you want to unmute it, it's fairly simple. Just open the settings app and then select sounds and vibration. And then from here, you should see the three options: sound, vibrate, and mute. So in order for you to mute your tablet, simply select mute or vibrate if you prefer that. And once you've done that, any sounds that were previously coming from your device, whether they were notifications or system sounds, will be completely turned off until you unmute your tablet. However, if you want to unmute it, you can choose to select sound. And now any system sounds will be successfully heard on your tablet. So it's up to you to decide how you're going to be using these three options. You also have the option of selecting vibrate, which simply translates your sounds into vibrations. So whenever you have a system notification coming through, instead of hearing a sound and instead of you staying uninformed, your tablet will vibrate to signal that there has been a notification. So you can choose to use that if you don't want to mute your device and you still also don't want to have any sounds being heard from your tablet. You also have the option of muting it using the quick settings panel. So all you need to do is just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access quick settings, and then you should see this sound icon. So this icon signifies whether your phone is in sound mode, mute, vibrate, or mute. So as you can see, there's different options. Sound, the icon is white. Vibrate, the icon is still white, but it has a line going through and it has the vibration icon at the end. And mute is it going gray completely with the sound icon having a line crossed through. So it's up to you to switch through the different options whenever you feel you need to mute, unmute, or set your tablet to vibrate. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.